My name is Felicia, and these are the reasons why my family and I love Reagan Sanai. With the Reagan Sanai products, that has been amazing for me to watch my daughter fall in love with her hair and the process of getting her hair done and all of that. And so it made her excited to want to wear her hair curly. Reagan Sanai products to me have given me the tools to really love on not only my hair, but on my daughter's hair and now my son's hair. My husband uses the mango butter souffle, and now with Warren, who is 7 months, we've been using the products on his hair as well. I just like the fact that it makes it easy, throw a little bit of product in his hair, a little bit of the mango butter souffle, and it just perfect for the rest of the day. So it's really something that can be used for the entire family. The biggest thing that I love about Reagan Sanai is that my daughter sees herself in the brand. She has seen a reflection of herself. That has been amazing, and that has been 100% because of this brand. So thank you.